In the infinite expanse of the cosmos, where stars burn with ferocious intensity and the void stretches beyond comprehension, a lone spacecraft has been humanity's silent sentinel for nearly half a century. Launched in 1977, Voyager 2 was never meant to venture this far, to probe the uncharted edges of our solar system, to whisper secrets from the abyss. It was built for a fleeting 5-year mission, a quick dance past Jupiter and Saturn before fading into obscurity. But the universe, vast and unpredictable, had other plans. Now, as this ancient probe sends its final images back to Earth, the data it carries is nothing short of staggering, a revelation so profound, so unsettling, that it confirms the fears buried deep in the hearts of scientists and dreamers alike. The boundary of our solar system, the invisible shield we thought protected us, is not a serene frontier. It's a chaotic, turbulent war zone, alive with forces we barely understand, and Voyager 2's last transmissions are a chilling reminder that the cosmos is far wilder, far more dangerous than we ever dared to imagine. Back in 1977, when Voyager 2 roared into the sky atop a Titan Centaur rocket, it was a marvel of human ingenuity. A fragile bundle of circuits and sensors, powered by a decaying heart of plutonium-238. Its mission was audacious yet simple. Capture images of Jupiter and Saturn, study their moons, and beam back data to a world hungry for cosmic truths. But a rare alignment of planets, a celestial event that occurs just once every 176 years, turned this short sprint into an epic odyssey. Gravity became Voyager 2's ally, slingshotting it past Jupiter's swirling storms, Saturn's majestic rings, and then, against all expectations, onward to the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. It became the only spacecraft in history to visit these distant worlds, revealing their alien beauty. Uranus's pale cyan haze, Neptune's deep blue tempests. Yet, even as it danced through the outer planets, Voyager 2 was hurtling towards something far greater, far stranger. The heliosphere's edge, the boundary where our sun's influence fades and the interstellar void begins. For decades, scientists imagined the heliosphere as a protective bubble, a vast teardrop carved by the solar wind, shielding Earth and its sister planets from the chaos of the galaxy beyond. The Heliopause, the outermost edge of this bubble, was thought to be a clean line, a quiet transition where the sun's reach gently gave way to the interstellar medium, a sea of ancient particles, cosmic dust, and faint magnetic whispers. But when Voyager 2 crossed this boundary in 2018, at a staggering 120 astronomical units from the sun, its instruments told a story that shattered every model, every assumption. The Heliopause was not a serene wall. It was a battlefield, a roiling, chaotic frontier where the solar wind clashed with interstellar forces in ways no one had predicted. The magnetic field, which should have shifted dramatically as the probe left the sun's domain, remained stubbornly unchanged, mirroring the bizarre data Voyager 1 had sent 6 years earlier. This wasn't just an anomaly, it was a cosmic bombshell. The data revealed a heliopause that didn't breathe with the solar cycle, as expected. Scientists had modeled a dynamic boundary, expanding and contracting with the sun's 11-year rhythm. But Voyager 2 found something else entirely. A frontier, locked in place, twisted by forces far older, far more powerful than the sun itself. The heliopause wasn't just a line, it was a tangled web, a cosmic storm front where magnetic fields churned and collided. Before reaching this boundary, Voyager 2 had to navigate the Heliopause, a region where the solar wind slows, heats, and piles up against the interstellar medium. What it found there was even more shocking. The solar magnetic field, shaped by the sun's rotating poles, wasn't uniform. It spun in opposite directions, forming massive magnetic bubbles, enormous structures stretching billions of kilometers, stacked and tangled like foam on a stormy sea. These bubbles weren't static. They were dynamic, shifting, clashing, creating a turbulent zone where solar and interstellar forces waged an invisible war. This chaos wasn't just a quirk of the heliosphere's edge. It hinted at something far deeper, far older. Some scientists now suspect the heliosphere itself is scarred by the galaxy's ancient past. Billions of years ago, our sun may have been born in a turbulent stellar nursery, a region dense with magnetic fields left by long-dead supernovae. These primordial scars could still ripple through the heliosphere today, twisting its magnetic structure, warping its boundaries. The strange signatures Voyager 2 detected, the unchanged magnetic fields, the chaotic bubbles, might be echoes of cataclysmic events that shaped the galaxy eons ago. If true, the edge of our solar system isn't just shaped by the sun. It's a canvas painted by ancient cosmic violence, a relic of a universe far wilder than we ever imagined. Voyager 2's images and data paint a picture of a solar system not as an isolated island, but as a fragile outpost in a restless cosmic ocean. The Heliopause, once thought to be a solid shield, is porous, fluctuating, constantly battered by interstellar plasma, magnetic waves, and particles from distant stars. Cosmic rays, born in the hearts of ancient supernovae, slip through these chaotic bubbles, infiltrating our solar system. Radiation from the galaxy's farthest corners weaves through the heliosphere's tangled edges, reaching even Earth's atmosphere. For centuries, humanity pictured our cosmic home as a secluded sanctuary protected by the sun's mighty influence. Voyager 2 has shattered that illusion. We are not isolated. We are under siege, bombarded by the echoes of a universe that never forgets its violent past. As Voyager 2 ventured deeper into the interstellar medium, its instruments captured something even more unsettling. The boundary isn't just chaotic, it's alive. The magnetic bubbles and plasma storms don't just sit there, they pulse, they shift, they reshape the frontier every moment. The interstellar medium itself isn't the calm sea of particles scientists once envisioned. It's a turbulent realm, laced with magnetic fields that twist and knot, carrying the faint whispers of stars that died billions of years ago. Voyager 2's sensors detected spikes in particle density, sudden bursts of cosmic rays, and magnetic anomalies that defy explanation. These aren't just random fluctuations. They're evidence of a dynamic, unpredictable cosmos, one that doesn't conform to the neat equations scrawled in Earth's laboratories. The implications are staggering. If the heliosphere is this porous, this unstable, what else could be slipping through? Cosmic rays already influence Earth's atmosphere, subtly shaping cloud formation and climate. But what about larger phenomena? Could massive plasma storms, rogue magnetic fields, or even the faint echoes of ancient supernovae occasionally breach our solar system's defenses? The thought is both thrilling and terrifying. Without Voyager 2, we might never have known that our cosmic shield is more like a tattered veil, constantly tested by forces we can't see, can't predict. The solar system, cozy and familiar as it seems, is a tiny oasis trembling in the midst of a galactic storm. Yet even as Voyager 2 unveils these cosmic truths, its time is running out. Its power supply, a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, is fading. The plutonium-238 that has kept it alive for nearly 5 decades is decaying, its energy dwindling with every passing day. NASA engineers, like caretakers tending to an aging explorer, have been forced to make heartbreaking decisions. One by one, they've switched off instruments. First the cameras, then the plasma sensors, now even the cosmic ray detectors, to conserve what little power remains. Every byte of data is a precious gift, squeezed from the probe's dying heart. By 2025, perhaps sooner, Voyager 2 will fall silent. Its final signal will fade into the static of interstellar space, and humanity will lose its farthest-reaching eye, its most daring scout. There will be no crash, no explosion, just a whisper, swallowed by the endless dark. This looming silence carries a weight that's hard to fathom. Voyager 2 wasn't just a machine. It was a testament to human curiosity, a symbol of our relentless drive to explore the unknown. It survived solar flares, cosmic radiation, and the crushing cold of deep space. It sent back images of Jupiter's great red spot, Saturn's rings, Uranus's ghostly moons, and Neptune's stormy atmosphere. It charted the heliosphere's edge, revealing a frontier we never truly understood. And now, as its voice grows fainter, it leaves us with a haunting question. What else is out there, slipping through the cracks of our cosmic shield? What forces, what phenomena, are lurking just beyond the Heliopause, waiting to reshape our understanding of the universe? The data Voyager 2 has sent back forces us to confront a humbling truth. Our models of the cosmos were wrong. For decades, scientists crafted elegant diagrams of the heliosphere, a smooth, teardrop-shaped bubble, a fortress guarding our solar system. Voyager 2's transmissions have torn those models apart. The heliosphere isn't a pristine shield. It's a fractured, twisted chaos, shaped by ancient forces we're only beginning to grasp. The magnetic bubbles, the turbulent helioseath, the stubborn magnetic fields, they all point to a universe that's messy, unpredictable, alive with forces that defy our best theories. We thought we knew the shape of our cosmic home. We were wrong. And now, with Voyager 2's final images, we see the truth. Our solar system is not a fortress. It's a fragile raft, adrift in a sea of cosmic storms. The emotional weight of Voyager 2's journey hits hard. This tiny probe, no bigger than a small car, has traveled farther than any human creation, carrying a golden record etched with the sounds of Earth. Music, greetings, the heartbeat of a human child. It was our message to the stars, a hopeful gesture that someone, something, might one day find it. But as Voyager 2 nears its end, it's not just the loss of a machine we mourn. It's the end of an era, a chapter of exploration that can never be replicated. No future mission will match Voyager 2's audacity, its improbable survival, its sheer tenacity. When its signal fades, we'll lose more than data. We'll lose a piece of ourselves, a spark of the bold, reckless curiosity that sent a fragile probe into the void nearly 5 decades ago. Yet Voyager 2's final gift isn't just data or images, it's a warning. The chaotic boundary it uncovered, the turbulent frontier where solar and interstellar forces collide, tells us something profound about our place in the cosmos. We are not safe. We are not isolated. The universe is not a quiet, orderly place. It's a wild, untamed expanse, alive with forces that have shaped galaxies, forged stars, and obliterated worlds. The heliosphere, our only shield, is battered, porous, vulnerable. Cosmic rays, magnetic storms, the echoes of ancient supernovae, they're all out there, pressing against the edges of our solar system, slipping through the cracks. And Earth, for all its beauty, is just a speck in this cosmic maelstrom. A fragile oasis sustained by a sun that's fighting a losing battle against the galaxy's relentless tides. As Voyager 2's signal weakens, the questions it leaves behind grow louder. What else is out there beyond the heliopause? Are there forces, plasma storms, magnetic anomalies, or something even stranger that could one day breach our defenses entirely? Could the chaotic boundary Voyager 2 uncovered be a sign of something bigger, something darker, lurking just beyond our reach? Scientists are already scrambling to make sense of the data, to piece together the puzzle of the heliosphere's twisted edges. Some theorize that the magnetic bubbles could be gateways, channels, where interstellar material flows into our solar system. Others wonder if the heliosphere's scars are evidence of a galactic event so massive, so ancient, that it still ripples through the cosmos, shaping everything in its path. The truth is, we don't know. And that's what makes Voyager 2's final images so electrifying, so terrifying. They don't just show us the edge of our solar system, they show us how little we understand, how vast the unknown remains. Every pixel, every data point is a challenge to our assumptions, a reminder that the universe doesn't care about our models or our expectations. It's a restless, violent place, and we're just beginning to grasp its true nature. Voyager 2, in its final moments, has given us a glimpse of that reality, a reality that's both beautiful and horrifying, a cosmic tapestry woven from chaos and wonder. Imagine the scene, a lone probe, its power fading, drifting through the interstellar void, its antennas, battered by decades of cosmic radiation, still point toward a distant blue dot, sending faint signals across 19 billion kilometers. Each transmission is a miracle, a fragile thread connecting us to the farthest reaches of human exploration. And what do those signals tell us? Not stories of calm or order, but of a universe in turmoil, magnetic fields, twisting in ways we can't predict, plasma storms clashing at the edge of our cosmic home, echoes of ancient supernova still whispering through the void. Voyager 2's final images aren't just pictures, they're a warning, a wake-up call, a reminder that the cosmos is not our friend. It's a wild, untamed force, and we're at its mercy. The stakes couldn't be higher. If the heliosphere is as chaotic as Voyager 2 suggests, what does that mean for Earth? Could cosmic rays, intensified by a turbulent heliopause, disrupt our atmosphere in ways we haven't foreseen? Could magnetic anomalies trigger shifts in our planet's delicate balance? Scientists are already exploring these questions, using Voyager 2's data to build new models, to rethink the heliosphere's role in protecting us. But the answers are elusive, and the clock is ticking. With every instrument NASA shuts down to save power, we lose another piece of the puzzle. When Voyager 2 goes silent, we'll be left with fragments, brilliant, haunting fragments of a truth we're only beginning to understand. The emotional pull of this moment is undeniable. Voyager 2 isn't just a probe, it's a piece of humanity's soul, a testament to our need to reach beyond our grasp. It carried our hopes, our dreams, our voices into the stars. And now, as it fades, it's sending us one last message. The universe is not what we thought. It's wilder, stranger, more alive than we ever imagined. The heliopause isn't a wall, it's a storm. The heliosphere isn't a shield, it's a battleground. And Earth, for all its beauty, is a fragile speck in a cosmic war that's been raging for billions of years. As the final transmissions arrive, the world watches in awe and dread. Scientists pore over the data, grappling with its implications. The public, captivated by the story of a dying probe, begins to ask the big questions. What does it mean to live in a solar system so exposed, so vulnerable? What does it mean to be part of a universe so chaotic, so unpredictable? Voyager 2's images aren't just scientific data. They're a mirror, reflecting our own fragility, our own audacity. They remind us that we're not masters of the cosmos, but explorers, stumbling through a universe that's vast, untamed, and utterly indifferent. The legacy of Voyager 2 will echo for generations. Its journey, born from a fleeting planetary alignment, carried it farther than anyone dreamed possible. Its discoveries, Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, Uranus's moons, Neptune's winds, and now the chaotic heliopause, have reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. But its greatest gift is also its most unsettling. The knowledge that our solar system is not a safe haven, but a frontier under siege. The magnetic bubbles, the turbulent helioseath, the unchanging magnetic fields, they're not just data points. They're evidence of a universe that's alive, restless, and ready to challenge everything we think we know. As Voyager 2's signal fades, we're left with a choice. We can cling to the old models, the comforting illusions of a tidy, predictable cosmos, or we can embrace the truth Voyager 2 has revealed, that the universe is a wild, chaotic place, and our place in it is far more precarious than we ever imagined. The heliosphere, our only shield, is battered and scarred, shaped by forces we can't control. The interstellar medium, once thought to be a quiet void, is a turbulent sea, alive with the echoes of ancient cataclysms. And Earth, our fragile home, is just a speck in this cosmic storm, sustained by a sun that's fighting a battle it can't win. The final images from Voyager 2 aren't just a scientific triumph, they're a call to action. They urge us to keep exploring, to keep questioning, to keep pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. They remind us that the universe is not a puzzle to be solved, but a mystery to be embraced. And as the probe's voice grows silent, it leaves us with one last, haunting truth. The cosmos is not ours to command. It's a wild, untamed force, and we're just beginning to understand its power. What do you think Voyager 2 has truly uncovered? Is the chaotic edge of our solar system a sign of something bigger, something darker, waiting to be discovered? Share your thoughts, your theories, your fears in the comments below. The universe is speaking, and it's time we listened. And if you want to stay on this journey, to keep uncovering the hidden truths of the cosmos, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because the next discovery might not just change how we see the universe, it might change how we see ourselves.